Hi everyone, this is Dr. Katie from Scribenote, and today I'll be taking you through the many ways that we have support for you while using different plans with Scribenote. First, we'll go through all the things you have access to for self-serve support if you're using our free plan. While you're on the Scribenote dashboard and logged in, you can access Otto, our AI agent, also one of our mascots. Down here in this bottom right-hand corner, you'll see this chat bubble. You'll open up your chat bubble and it will bring you to your home screen here. This is where you can look for some help documents, send us a message, and look for any updates that are going on within Scribenote at the time. If you want to send us a message, like I said, you'll be directed to Otto, who will do his best to help you work through any issues you're having. Another area that you can access the help docs is in the right-hand corner. You can press on your account and then scroll down, and this will bring you directly to the help doc website. Here you can search for anything specific, as well as click into any of these kind of fast resources that are available. And if they have an applicable video, videos will also be attached to these help documents. Speaking of videos, we can see all of our help videos on our YouTube channel. So this is our YouTube channel. We have so many helpful videos, all featuring me, which are, basically all in this playlist section here. Going through how to use different features within Scribenote and hopefully making your life easier. So if you hit the playlist button at the top of the YouTube channel, you can see these how-to videos. As well as we have a Getting Started with Scribenote playlist kind of just for the brand new user. So we think watching some of these, if you're having any issues, should help solve a lot of, your questions. So have fun checking out these videos and hopefully they'll answer anything that you need. If not, though, we do have access to booking a demo with someone from our team if you go to our main website. So on the website, we have this book a demo button. You can see it in a number of different places through the website, but if you click on it, it will bring you right to a calendar and you can get a personalized demo for your team. This is really nice if you want to sync everybody up at the same time. So make sure you try to book a demo if you're having trouble. And last but not least, if you're having trouble with a note itself on the Scribenote dashboard, you can access your note and then this More button, you can click on it and hit Flag Note. You can send a message directly to our support team and try reprocessing your note all in this page here. This will help us to improve Scribenote over time and make the product way more customized and useful for you. So don't forget to send us a direct note if you're having trouble with it. Now, last but not least, if you are a Pro Plan user, so a paid user, you do have access to our phone number and our email directly to our Customer Delight team. Plus, everything that we just talked about in the free plan. And if you are an enterprise user, you have all of the things that the Pro Plan users have, and also a dedicated account manager to help you with anything that you need as you're working through Scribenote. I hope that helps.